Hey everybody, it's Randy Wild Horse, and I got a noodle bowl to try. It's Annie Chun's simple gourmet Asian cuisine Japanese style teriyaki noodle bowl with cooked hokkien noodles, sweet and tangy sauce with bok choy and carrots. And it's vegan and it's, well, non-GMO project verified. Sorry you can't see that too good. Some people like it in a microwave oven, and I have one. I prefer to boil it in water. I've added way too much water in the teriyaki bowl. Sorry about that. I'm going to try this. Even my bad way of watering it down. Delicious. Try Annie Chun's simple gourmet Asian cuisine, Japanese style teriyaki.